If you've been looking for new ways to hydrate your skin, you are in the correct place because today I'm going to be sharing my current favorite hydrating skincare products. Hi everyone, my name is Alex. If you've been following me, you know I've tried so many skincare products, and some I've just noticed give a glow to the skin like no other. Don't worry though, I have skincare products in this for any skin type. I've tried to take that into consideration. I do have full reviews to all of these products in the description if you want a more in-depth perspective on them, because I'm just going to be roughly talking about each product. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this video. When making this video, Experiment Super Saturated Serum was the serum that came to mind when it comes to hydration. This product gives a finish like no other, and I tried it at a time when snail mucin was the it product in skincare. This serum delivers amazing ingredients like a high concentration of glycerin, prickly pear extract, and amazing skin barrier supporting and nourishing ingredients that gives a thicker finish to the skin, but I never get more compliments than when I use this product. It gives a glow like no other. Can't wait for the weather to get a little bit more cold so I can start incorporating this in my day-to-day routine. But at night, when I'm needing something a little bit more nourishing, I use this serum to deeply hydrate and nourish the skin. I wake up with glowy, radiant skin, and it is just such a beautiful experience. Experiment really got it right with this formula, and it is a bestseller for a reason. If you have more oily skin, that doesn't mean you don't need to hydrate your skin. You just need to go about it in lighter weight ways, like the Prequel multi-quench hydration serum. This product utilizes ectoin, polyglutamic acid, amazing hydrating ingredients. This product doesn't have hyaluronic acid in it, which is perfect for people who say that it doesn't work as well for their skin. Personally, as someone with acne-prone skin, I enjoyed this product, and it was super lightweight, extremely nourishing and hydrating for the skin with leaving no finish. It's the perfect definition of an internally hydrating way to hydrate your skin. I also had to mention Glow Recipe's vegan mucin because I feel like it is a little bit more nourishing than the Prequel. I personally liked this product because of the balancing ingredients it had in here. I feel like it's a little bit more worth investing in, especially if you struggle with acne, because it's something that got better the longer that I used it, but I noticed it's also been helping some redness and some irritation in my skin as well. It's a really light mucin style product. I don't really feel like mucin is the best way to describe it, because when I think of that, it's a little bit more thick and sticky like the Experiment Super Saturated for really dry skin. This mucin started off sticky, but as I rubbed it into my face, it was just such a beautiful lightweight hydration step that I feel like is perfect for the people who are looking for an internal hydration. It doesn't give much of an instant glow, but is perfect for combination skin in my opinion because it is very balancing. Stratia's Aqua Factory is the toner that I think of whenever I'm wanting to hydrate my skin in an internal way because of the affordability and because of the great ingredients they include in here for the price point. With urea, beta-glucan, and amazing hydrating ingredients, it is my go-to lightweight hydration toner. It's the perfect beginner step for whatever you follow with this product. Just gives an added layer of hydration, and it's something I continuously fall back on as someone with acne-prone skin. I'm going to be talking about a lot of gel creams in this video. If you have more dry skin, you could use these as hydration layers and then go in with a richer cream. Or if you have oily skin, feel free to stop at any step that you feel you've hydrated your skin enough. The most affordable gel cream recommendation I have is Geek and Gorgeous's Hydration Station. I've never seen a gel cream like it because it has a rich water cream texture that I feel like gives it a little bit more it factor than some other gel creams on the market. The highlighted ingredients being glycerin and ectoin are amazing in this product. It gives a finish like no other. It is super lightweight, blends in immediately. It would be the perfect layering step to hydrate dry skin, or the perfect final step for an oily skin person who wants practically not even their moisturized finish. It's just an amazing hydrating gel cream that is super bare bones in the best way. Byoma has released a more hydrating acne line that I am in the middle of trying, hydrating. However, their soothing toner delivers an instant soothing benefit to the skin while hydrating your skin as well. I love the complex they chose to include in here because it's marketed and designed to treat acne without anything harsh that I've seen with a lot of other acne treatments in the past. Super lightweight, super nourishing, really moisturizing, and the perfect complementary step to benefit and enhance any actives that you are using on your face. I love that Byoma went for a soothing acne approach with this because I feel like with the heart leaf water in here, it has been showing great benefits for my skin, and it's been a staple hydrating product that is multifaceted, meaning it's not gonna just hydrate your skin. That is a great benefit. I like this product though because it multitasks and also treats acne all in the same product. Skin 1004's matryxl boosting shot ampule is a wonderful way and a unique approach to hydrating the skin with the gentle delivery system that is in this product. Designed to be an anti-aging peptide serum, I like it personally as a hydrating and skin barrier supporting serum, but I put this on here for the people who are wanting a unique and more innovative approach to delivering those hydrating benefits and amazing peptides to the skin. I like the delivery system. It takes the boosting shot ampules that are well known in Korean skincare innovations and puts unique peptides and soothing centella that Skin 1004 is known for into one formula. It delivered great soothing and also hydrating benefits to the skin. You'll see with a lot of these products, they are multifaceted. It's not that hydrating the skin isn't enough. I feel like hydrating the skin is a perfect sole serum reason. I just usually like to get a little bit more out of my skincare, and that is what this serum does best for me. It's an anti-aging style product, so I can be preventative with those benefits, but also has an amazing delivery system that provides that almost instant hydration benefit that I've seen with this product. Bubbles Power Wave Moisturizer describes itself as a super hydrating product, and I can testify that it did. This is another product that's kind of a richer water cream style texture that I feel like delivered a great benefit to the skin with super nourishing and hydrating ingredients as well. Another product I feel like you could use as a layering step if you are more dry or specifically combination skin. I feel like you'll like this as a final step moisturizer. It gives a really plump and radiant look to the face, but is not too heavy, and that's what I love about this moisturizer. I didn't understand why it was created at first because they already have a gel cream, they have a water cream. This is like a water cream with more plumping and hydrating benefits to the skin. If you want a more budget-friendly alternative to a ceramide treatment, cocokind ceramide treatment is a holy grail of mine. Definitely good if you're on a budget and looking for a really nourishing barrier serum that doesn't leave that much of a finish. When I first tried it, I didn't realize it would be so long lasting with the hype that it's getting, but I'm so glad it is because cocokind has been making some of the best formulas that I have seen in skincare, and this ceramide treatment is proof of that. It utilizes balancing ingredients along with so many skin barrier supporting ingredients for an amazing price point, and I would recommend it for a hydrating ceramide treatment. This one's more for people with oily skin. If you're looking for a light gel cream moisturizer that practically leaves no finish but is an amazing hydrating product, that would be the Good Molecules gel cream. This product utilizes electrolytes to plump and nourish the skin. It's very light and not enough as a moisturizer for me, but I love it as a hydration step. If you're looking for a really light hydration enhancement, if you have dry skin, even oily skin, this may not be enough as a final step moisturizer for you unless you're just really oily. I would recommend using this product on damp skin and just using it accordingly, using it however you feel like it is best. It is the most lightweight gel cream that I have tried, but could be perfect for some people's skincare routines. Prequel's Skin Utility Collection is amazing for hydrating the skin. One that I feel like is the best for hydration is their Skin Utility Gel because it's almost like a slugging style product for more oily skin. Locks in all of the the nourishment, all of the hydration, everything that you need, and could be a final step product at night if you are looking for something to really enhance the hydration benefits of your other products. Also an amazing gel cream. There's really no rules with this product. You can use it however you feel is best. I'm mentioning a lot of gel creams because they all have different ingredients and different technology. It all comes down to trying and knowing your skin, and also consulting with experts, because I'm not an expert. I'm just a consumer recommending skincare products from what has worked for me. I like all of these different gel creams in different seasons and different times. The Prequel I found was best for my skin when I was just really oily and I was looking for a more slugging approach to a gel product. I do want to bring up slugging though with Prequel Skin Utility Ointment as a beautiful way to lock in moisture and hydration for really dry skin, especially if you have irritated or chapped skin. I do this all over. I do it on my face, I do it on my body, anywhere where I'm struggling with really dry skin. That is who I feel like would benefit from the Prequel Skin Utility Ointment, because it is a Vaseline petrolatum based product. It uses a great technology to lock in any hydration. If you're looking for a way to enhance hydration on your skin, this is definitely the way to do it. pdrn is a skincare ingredient that I feel like is getting a lot of hype right now. My favorite way to use pdrn is in a hydration serum, and I feel like that is the best benefit of that style of ingredient. I have seen people saying the craziest things about pdrn and what it has done for their skin. Listen, I am not a skincare expert, but I trust and follow skincare experts and do my own research from articles myself. pdrn with current studies is a hydration ingredient from what I have seen experts talking about, which could work great for some people. Some people get freaked out by it. I completely understand. I was at first until I saw the great benefits of the Anua pdrn serum, which I feel like could be beneficial if you are looking for a more lightweight, dewy approach to a hydration serum. I love pdrn in the winter for specifically hydrating and nourishing my skin, giving a little bit more of a dewy finish when I need it. Not necessarily something I feel like is needed in everybody's skincare routine, but could be really beneficial if you struggle with dryness and sensitivity. pdrn was personally very gentle for me. I was able to use it both day and night every day, and I had no issue with it. Didn't cause acne either. That may not be a universal experience, but personally myself, I would recommend it if you're looking for a really deeply nourishing approach to a hydration product. And it was very lightweight, but gave a little bit dewier of a finish to my face. I wanted to bring up my favorite hydrating cleanser because as someone who's acne prone, I look for a cleanser that's hydrating yet balancing for the skin, and that's what Remedies for Rich Cream Cleansing did perfect for me. I cannot recommend this product enough because it just worked so well to nourish yet balance my face with its cream to foam aspect and the gentle cleansing agents that they utilized in here. I feel like it was a great cleanser for my redness. Could use it any season, and it is hydrating yet balanced for acne prone skin, and that's why I love it so much. There are so many hydrating cleansers that I've tried. I made a full video over cleansers for every skin type that you can check out, but this is my current favorite hydrating cleanser at the moment. I also wanted to bring up a very simple to the point hydrating sunscreen utilizing American-based filters, which is Byoma's ultralight sunscreen SPF 50. I bring that up because of its accessibility, because of how nourishing and dewy yet light it was for the face. I feel like more combination to dry skin may enjoy it most, especially with reapplication, but I do feel like any skin type could use it because it is so lightweight, delivers some hydrating benefits to the skin while also not being too heavy and providing a great level of protection against the sun. My favorite hydrating lip balm is Topicals Slick Salve. This has been my holy grail for a while. It's the lip balm I can use both day and night, utilizing great skin barrier supporting ingredients that at the time of release I hadn't seen in a lot of other lip balms, and the price, they now have flavors and tints. Everything about this product is perfect. It is such a beautifully made lip balm. I have one on my bedside table right now because I found it. So glad that I did because I use this so frequently and it's a holy grail that I have repurchased so much. Wrapping up this list, I wanted to bring up a little bit more of a rich hydration style product with Naturium's Barrier Bounce. They have loaded this ingredient list down. I am so impressed by how this serum continues to hydrate, nourish, and support my skin barrier. Definitely more of a rich approach to a hydration style product, but I love that aspect of it. I feel like it makes it really unique with the ingredients that they included in here. All of the hydrating serums I mentioned are unique because they utilize and highlight different ingredients and different technology. This product specifically, I love if you struggle with really dry, rough skin and or texture. I feel like it worked really well to correct some of that, and it is a wonderful hydrating product. This is my current list of favorite hydrating style products, but let me know what products you are currently loving at the moment. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.